Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. So today I'm going to bring you the tutorial for this card. I did the baby white technique in a blog hop, and I created this card. I created 4 cards altogether, and I said I would split the videos up. So you may have seen previously me making these cards and how I created these backgrounds and these butterflies and this label, and in this card I show you how I put it all together to create this card. So with this one I thought I'd bring out these lovely contour dies again, scalloped contour dies, and I might use this one and just cut the edge a bit, and then maybe have some cascading butterflies coming down. I'm thinking maybe I'll leave that dark side and cut that one. And then, yeah, have some cascading butterflies, and then maybe a little happy birthday. I may change my mind, but I'll get that cut out. Okay, so I've changed my mind. So I've cut that out, and then I thought, why don't I make like a belly band, so that it would go across the centre and I can have butterflies coming off it. I want to make sure that the scallops are kind of the same, so I've got this bit that I've cut off. So I thought if I line that up, straight edge to straight edge, and I can see where the die fits in, so that I kind of know then that these peaks will be in the right place. Just thought I'd show you that, and I'm hoping that that is more or less straight. And we'll see how it looks, fingers crossed. Yeah, more or less. I think that's good enough for me. So I can have it maybe like that. I quite like the idea. I could stamp a sentiment on there, and we can have some butterflies coming off. Anyway, I'd other butterflies. And then just stamp directly on the card. That's one idea. And then I did think I could use these offcuts. Or maybe I'll stick with my original idea of having it going down the edge of a card. And having the happy birthday poking out, might just change the colours a tad. I might cut that straight. I'd cut this to be a matte size and I'd actually now prefer it. If it was the same size, yeah, quite liking that. So I want that to be a different colour on the outside now. Get the Black Big Bliss again. Maybe make that a bit darker. Right. And I might emboss that just to give it a bit of texture. So I've done the embossing. I've used the textured paint effect one because we've done a sort of a painty effect, and liking how that turned out. Not liking how I just bent the card there. That's fine. So yeah, I think that gives it enough lift behind there for what we want. So we're going to give our butterflies some flight. I'm still deciding, do I want to... I don't think they need the edges inking because they're... it doesn't matter about the white edge, I think, because they're on this bit of colour here. So I think that works nice. Have that coming out there for the... and that going on there. So we need a bit of glue for the top of my tag. Move that on there. Stick these down. That just looks like you've put a bit of textured paste on there. It's such a good emboss. that looks like we've swooshed. So that's going like that, that's going like that, that's going like that. Yep. So make sure the wings are inside the edge of the card. And put the bottom one on, and then we know where the middle one can go. So we want to keep it inside the card so that it go inside the envelope. Yep, that's giving us enough space there. And I think I might put a dimensional under that. Just stick that down. Yeah, I'm not going to put, I was thinking, do I need a bit of ribbon around it? Decided not. But I might put some pearls in there. So I've got, oops, I've got these ones. So I think, nice big pink one. It's the wrong purple, I think. So we use the pink ones. Yeah. There we go. So that's that one. Liking how that turned out in the end. So hope you like that. I just love this background. It's just beautiful. So you can, I'll link to my shop down below where you can purchase anything that I've used, the embossing folder, the dies, the bundle for the butterflies. Yeah, and I'll link to the blog, and I'll link to the original blog hop as well, so you'll be able to see what everybody else has done, and you can see, I'll link to the video as well, where I did the baby wipe technique, rather than just the putting together. Okay, all shop links down below, all my social media down below, so do follow me, do like and subscribe. It'd be great to bring you along. All right, bye.